Hey, it's Matt from Mustad. Today we're going to talk about how to change out a treble hook on a lure. You can do this technique when you're replacing standard round bend treble hooks to the Mustad triple grip, or if you have an older lure that needs a hook replacement. Okay, here's what you'll need. First, you'll need the lure you're going to be using, the correct size and style of Mustad replacement treble hooks, as well as a good pair of split ring pliers. All right, let's begin. So first we'll grab our lure that we're going to be using. I'll take our split ring pliers. Now right at the joint of the split ring, we'll use the point to open them up slightly and just slide that original treble hook into the opening. We'll then take our replacement treble hook, sliding that on as well, so you'll have both on the split ring at once. Now rotate the split ring a full 360 degrees, pop the old one off, and our new Mustad replacement is sitting on there. Now repeat that process for your second treble and you're good to go. To find the size and style of the treble hook you need, head to mustad-fishing.com.